And to you?
To me, he's my boyfriend.
No, that.
Sanibonani nibingelela udikani ukhwenta unyanda wephahla kanti ke bakwathi ukuphumelela komuntu ave kuyinto encane ngibuka laphayana uAshley Gold intokazi lesencane yaseThekwini ukuthi since ephumile kwa Big Brother House izinto zakhe nkathi ziyahlangana because ubusy kakhulu ama interview ngalana ngalana ama celebrity amaningi ngathi impela ayamdinga afuna nokusebenza naye so uSuthi Gulvakazi ubade esegagasini so ke abantu abaningi bebade bembuza kuma comment ukuthi ngempela akachaze ukuthi lento yakhe no Sweet Guluva ibade iqiniso noma nje bade kuumdlalo oqhutshwayo lapha kwa Big Brother ukuthi iqhutshwe nesikhathi nje bajola ngempela yini and then uyasho ke uSweet Guluvakazi uAshley ukuthi ya lento yabo iserious and bayathandana futhi umlindile phithi enough ke ukuthi uSweet Guluva lapha kwa Big Brother House ubusy noJojo ingane kaMfundisi asazi ke guys ukuthi lento yabo izoqhubeka yini mase Sweet Guluva sephumile mina ngafisa ukwazi ukucabanga lapha ku comment section ukuthi wena uthini ngalolu daba
asking those questions because yeah I live under a rock. Who is Ashley Ogle and where's she from?
Ashley Ogle is Ashley Ogle, like it said in the name, my name and surname. And I'm originally from Durban, Wentworth. Originally from Wentworth, I'm originally from the Gully. Yeah.
Ekali.
The Gully.
So what is the Gully?
The Gully is like the colored neighborhood, you know?
Really?
Like how you say the Kasi, I'm from the Gully.
You from the Gully?
Yeah, I'm from the Gully.
Oh, you're the main now?
No, I'm not the main now,
okay.
but I'm from there.
Now, your biggest come up was you being a housemate there by Big Brother. First and foremost, what inspired you to even apply?
To Big Brother?
Yeah.
I hated working office jobs. I have a good brain, but
So
like
did you
I don't
quit
like
your job?
using it. Yes, I did.
Highball!
Our life is about risk. You must take risk. If you don't try, how will you know? How will you know?
Well, you didn't win the big bucks. You're here with me right now, so was it worth it?
It was very worth it.
Amongst the many things you didn't do, you definitely found love. Which one is that one? Sweet Guluva. Who's that?
He's a housemate.
Okay.
Yeah.